with Lang Equipment and Shad Chambliss from Bad Boy Mowers. He's actually he's been at a couple of Farm Tech Days with us. He is a truck driver, but he is a wealth of knowledge, which I definitely appreciate, because we get overrun in our booth sometimes, and Shad's right there to answer questions for people, and it's 100% just Shad being Shad, which is nice. He will tell it the way it is. Mm-hmm. So I decided I wanted to get the truck driver's opinion and just find out, what is your favorite mower to unload at a dealership?
Favorite mower? That's hard to say. They're all good, but I got to say the ZT. The ZT is low profile for trailers to get in and out of, and they're comfortable and they fire right up.
So I don't know if I'm supposed to say this or not, but I've actually gone up in the trailers and driven off.
Right, yeah.
So they're double decked in there. You've got a special shelf built in there with some ramps. And when you get up there, you're like this.
Yes, sir. You got to fold up and come out. Make sure you don't hit your head. Yes, sir.
I'm short.
Yeah.
And I hit my head when I was up in there walking, and you know that it's short, but still. So you deliver these things all across the nation. I know that I am your favorite stop.
Oh, absolutely.
Every time that you come. You do a lot of the shows.
Yes.
So you've been to North Carolina, and you've done the North Carolina Farm Show. You've done Wisconsin Farm Show. What other shows have you done?
I've done the Louisville show. I've done it several times, which I've transferred it to some of the newer drivers wanting to get into it. I let them do that, and then I do the Woods and Water up in Michigan. I've done the Omni. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right. The Omni show that's right there in Detroit.
Okay.
I've done it for them, and there's just quite a few of them. You know, they're yearly the same ones. We go through the Moultrie Farm Show.
We normally have a gray trailer.
Yes.
And where's the gray trailer?
It's at a NASCAR race.
We're not as important as NASCAR.
That's what they're telling me.
Well, see, I didn't want corporate answers.
Right.
I wanted the real thing.
Yeah, we didn't rate high enough for it, so we got a new trailer. It's not, we don't have the awning, but we do have a new trailer.
It's hot. You got a hat. I didn't wear a hat. I got some sweat pouring down.
Yes,
it's a little bit warm here today. What is the hottest show that you've been at?
I'm gonna say probably at the airstrip at Moultrie, Georgia, at the Delta show. It's all concrete and it got hot. I've got hot there. That's probably the hottest one.
All right. So we brought you some cheese curds.
Yes, you did.
What do you get at other shows? When you show up, I hope that somebody brings you something, some alligator or something.
Yeah, I've had alligator. I've had the Amish donuts. I've had ice cream, actually churned ice cream that was done at the show. It's all been good. And the cheese curds are by far our favorite because my wife loves them. I love them. And I just appreciate it.
So we talked about the cheese curds. That's a big thing in Wisconsin here. Another thing that's big is the Bad Boy Mowers. We've sold a ton of them in the area here. So you've delivered a lot. You come and you help out at the shows. We greatly appreciate Bad Boy. Yes. This show they sent not only Shad, they sent the regional manager Jim Miller, they sent John Reeve, and they sent Corey from Iowa up to help at this show.
Absolutely.
One of the things is you walk around the shows, when you put on something like this, we got a 17-foot tall dog on top of a trailer. I think it really attracts stuff because as we go around the different booths here, we're one of the busier booths. We've been around for a while. We sell a ton of Bad Boy mowers. People are just coming in to talk and chat and stuff like that. But is that kind of the vibe that you get at these other shows when you set up something like this big rig?
When I set up like this right here, a lot of times there's a question that's always getting to, well, I don't know about Bad Boys, or I didn't know Bad Boys sold tractors, or you always hear, I don't get that here. No one's came to me and said, well, I've never heard of Bad Boys. There's no one's come and told me and said, well, I didn't know y'all sold tractors or made tractors or anything like that of the sort. I've not got that one time here.
Okay.
It's very knowledgeable about Bad Boys in the area. Y'all done a great job selling in the area. we're knowledgeable here. We're recognized when we get here.
Awesome.
Even the people that volunteer here, they recognize our uniforms and our shirts. And they knew exactly where to take us when we got our vehicle yesterday. Oh, I
That's
know where
awesome.
your truck is. I seen it. Yeah.
That's
So,
awesome.
Yeah.
It's a testament to what Bad Boys built, and us being a dealer partner, we've got a good sized footprint. We started 16 years ago now. We started with Bad Boy, I think 12 years ago.
Yeah, was it 15 or 16 that y'all
Yeah,
started?
yeah, somewhere around there.
Somewhere around in
somewhere
there.
between
Yeah.
11 and 12 years.
Yeah.
Maybe 13. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Numbers are hard for me now.
Same here.
So how long have you been with Bad Boy?
I started in 15.
You started in 15?
I started in
Okay.
15, and we would get laid off in the winter time. And one time when I did get laid off, I went and done something else, and then I came back, and I've been back now 7 years.
Okay.
Straight.
So Bad Boy is a company, they used to stop production and then they would start it up as they
Yes.
ramped up into
Seasonal.
spring.
Yes.
So it's kind of seasonal. Now, does the
Year
factory
round.
ever
No.
stop?
Inventory time, when they come in and have to audit everything, and it's a 1 week deal, but we still deliver because we have the inventory now. But the plant was shut down literally just for inventory a couple days, and then fire right back up. It affects us a little bit because at the end, our loads start to slow down for y'all, or the orders and stuff. But other than that, we're year round.
I know that Bad Boy started in Batesville, Arkansas, and you guys tried to build stuff as it was going. You guys got behind, you got behind. Back, we're talking 2015,
Yes.
16, 17, 18.
Yes.
You guys were always behind, and then you guys started producing year round, and now I think you guys have, you build mowers in Batesville, and then you ship them to Pennsylvania?
Yes, Shippensburg, Pennsylvania is where our warehouse is. We get them there, they crate them and stack them to the ceiling. We can fill it up.
So that's where our North Carolina ones are coming
Yes.
from, is out of Pennsylvania.
Yes.
So the first time that I was down in North Carolina and I got my first load of Bad Boys down there, it was kind of a little bit different because I know all of the truck drivers that come by us.
Right.
So it was a different set of truck drivers, and those guys, do those truck drivers from there get back to Batesville, that they know what it's like in Batesville, like
Yes.
how busy it is and everything? So they're also transferring,
Yes, they'll
probably
be,
in the winter.
when they're
or-
not delivering to y'all, they transfer back and forth, which they have to do a little bit of training when we do them. It's a company, TLI. It's called Power Only. They pull our trailers. They come out to Batesville. They'll actually spend a day or two loading and unloading mowers, and then we send them to Shippensburg back up there, and then they'll deliver out of there and then make loads back and forth to Batesville when they don't have dealers to deliver to.
How many mowers can you store up there?
I'm really not sure, and it's several thousands. That's a number I don't have.
So you're in the shipping thing. Are they looking at different places? I know with the tractors now, they're Alabama. They have a new facility.
Monroeville, Louisiana.
Louisiana. Okay.
And they have opened up a warehouse to start putting them together there, and even actually talked about maybe one day putting a line in there for mowers.
Okay.
And then also
It's about efficiencies.
Yeah, and we've talked about putting one Sioux Falls, maybe somewhere around in that area. Since we now in Fargo now, we may put one there. But they're looking at one out west to cover that section over there. They're always thinking of something to go in the future with.
I know you travel to a lot of the shows, you do a lot of those things, you deliver mowers. What is the most remote location that you guys have had to deliver mowers, that you've had to deliver mowers to? Like, I mean, do you go all the way out to Oregon, or where do you go?
Sequim, Washington. It's 100 miles west of Seattle. It's out in the middle of nowhere. It's a logging community. It's actually where Twilight was filmed.
Okay.
The roads are narrow. It's a tight, but once you get to the little town, it's actually quite nice. It's beautiful, but it is a narrow. You've got about 2 hours of narrow 45-mile-an-hour roads, winding, and yeah, you're
People recognize this truck rolling down the road. Are you guys going to build something for the terrain to be able to deliver the terrains?
I'd
Are you
love
guys
to.
gonna Are you
Yeah.
gonna modify your trailers to deliver the terrain? Do you guys have a plan in place?
I don't have one, and I haven't heard of one. But it would be nice if we would get into delivering all of our equipment. I would love to get into that, where we're not dependent on outside sources to deliver, because we don't know the guys, they don't know y'all. A lot of the 18 drivers we do have personal relationships with almost all of our dealers. I mean, none of these guys do.
I might know all 18 of
You
them.
may, and you should. But yeah, no, I would love for us not to have to call TLI and come and deliver a single piece of our equipment.
Yeah, when you got that start to finish, you know, the relationship
Yeah.
that my family, the Lang equipment,
Yeah,
with Bad
I mean,
Boy,
I've
it's
ate dinner
awesome.
at your table. You fed me at your house. I mean, how many of the truck drivers out there can say that?
Not a whole lot.
No.
So actually, before you were around, there was a truck driver named Brad Webb.
Brad Webb.
Very similar thing. He actually delivered my very first load of Bad Boys
He
to
did.
me. In whatever year we decided it might have been. And he used to come and do Farm Tech Days. And when I found out that Brad wasn't going to be around, I was like, oh no, Brad's gone. And we were lucky enough to get Shad.
Yep.
And
He's the one that
super
trained
exciting.
me, and I'm in contact with him almost every week. Actually talked to him yesterday, and he's enjoying retirement. But yeah, and he's always telling me to tell y'all hi when I'm here. And but yeah, that's the relationship we want with our dealers.
I think that's something that's a testament to Bad Boy, is that they on an individual level, as a company level, they really care about the individuals that are involved in the dealership, that are involved in, you know, working with them and their customers.
Absolutely.
So we appreciate you guys bringing all this stuff out, and you know, just being here to support us.
Yep.
You know, we support you, you support us. It's a great working
it
relationship.
is.
So
I
thank you.
look forward to all of it.
I appreciate it, Chad. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.